Good morning, students. Welcome to the world of SciTech, Science and Technology. So today I would like to take the next cytoplasmic organelle, lysosome. So let us move on to the topic. Lysosome are vesicular structure filled with digestive enzyme. Vesicular means cytoplasmic organelle. They have definite form and shape and is a fluid-filled bag. Lysosome consists of a dense internal matrix enveloped by a single membrane. The matrix contains hydrolytic enzymes which can digest the whole cell. The process is known as autophagy. So that lysosome is also known as suicidal bags. There are 40 type of hydrolytic enzymes are present in lysosome. Some of them are proteases, lipases, amylases, nucleases, glycosidases, etc. The enzyme proteases which can digest proteins, lipases which can digest lipids, amylases which can digest carbohydrates, nucleases which can digest nucleic acids. The term lyso means digestive and soma means body. Lysosomal enzymes are made by proteins of endoplasmic reticulum. Students, today we are also discussed about how the lysosomes are formed, how do the lysosome digest the food, how to get acidic medium in lysosome. And also we are discussed about how the lysosomes perform in fertilization, autophagy and endocytosis. So let us move on to that topics. How lysosomes formed. Golgi apparatus and endoplasmic reticulum together forms lysosome by gathering simple molecules formed by budding from the Golgi complex. The molecules are then combined and packed to form the complex structure of a lysosome. What is budding? We will discuss about budding in the next class. How do lysosomes digest food? When food is eaten or absorbed by the cell, the lysosome releases its enzyme to break down complex molecules including sugars and proteins into usable energy needed by the cell to survive. That means to digest food, the lysosome membrane fuses with the membrane of food vacuole and squids the enzyme inside. The digested food then diffuses through the vacuole membrane and enters the cell to be used for energy and growth. It is called intracellular digestion. Most of the lysosome function is in the acidic medium. How to get the acidic medium? The lysosome membrane has a hydrogen proton pump which is responsible for maintaining pH condition of the enzyme. The acidic medium maintained by the proton pump that pumps hydrogen ions inside the lumen ensures the functionality of the lysosomal enzymes. In the next class, we will discuss about endocytosis, autophagy and fertilization of lysosome.